Hello guys! Recently, we're receiving a lot of inquiries, no? Paano mag-join sa IMG, how to be a member. Ayan, so meron tayong two ways, no? Para mag-join po sa IMG. First, you just need to go to our website, no? Nag-prepare po kami ng website para sa inyo, para mas marami po kayong maintindihan at maunawaan about IMG. Ayan, so ito po yung preview ng aming website. So, yeah, sa website po namin, meron po yung mga important links, no, na pwede nyo i-visit. Okay, so you can check out the investment that we can offer, no, and yung Kaiser 3-in-1, and yung sa long-term healthcare po yan, and life insurance, IMG business, webinars, and yung paano mag-join. Pwede mo rin panoorin yung aking video. I explained the top 48 members benefits na ma-enjoy mo once you decided to be part of IMG. Andito rin po yan sa aming website. Then, if you want to know more po, just scroll down lang po. Okay? Whether you're using your laptop, tablet, or mobile, andyan po yan. Pwede nyo po yan makita lahat ng information na kailangan nyo about IMG, about us, as a IMG campaigner. Okay? Yan. So, kada information dyan may link so that you can explore and discover more information about it. Okay? So, pag meron po kayong clarifications or gusto pang malaman, nandito po kami, no? 24/7 na mag-a-assist po sa inyo. Okay? So, don't hesitate na i-contact po kami by clicking these buttons or images. Madadirect po kayo dyan sa aming Facebook Messenger account. Second, pwede po kayong umattend ng aming live Zoom webinars. Okay, meron po kami schedule from Monday to Saturday. So, para po malaman nyo ang schedule, wag po kayo mahiya mag-message. Direct message us. And then, we will provide the link for you to register. So, here's the sample of the registration form na fill upan nyo once you decided to join us sa aming live webinar. So, there you go po. See you and talk to you soon virtually.